What I need to do with this camera is to get some footage of the passing traffic as the driver is driving down the street. We look out his window and we see the landscape passing by. I'm going to film that or capture it digitally as I drive down the street, because I have a suction cup attached to the camera. This is a camera mount that is attached to a suction cup, and the suction cup has a way of being tightened. I will place it against the window of the van like this, and I will turn it so the camera is facing upwards like that, and I'll capture the passing landscape as the vehicle goes down the street, and then I'll use that with green screen to make it look like I'm driving down the street when actually the van is parked. And the next thing I do, take some tape, any kind of tape, and a sheet of green poster board. Now I put this up against the window so that from the inside all we'll see is green, and I will tape this to the door so that the window is covered with green. Now the exterior is covered with green. I open the door and get inside. And now here I am safely inside the vehicle, and I got the post board up against the window. If I chroma key the green, I can make it look like I'm driving down the street. I can add the sound of traffic if I want to, engine running or cars going by, whatever. And I can talk to the passenger in the passenger seat or in the back seat, and I don't have to pay attention to the traffic because I'm inside the car in the driveway. And if I go forward a little bit, you'll see that even though the traffic is going by, look out the window, the car's parked. Look out the windshield there. So there we are. That's how you drive without driving.